show that 3.142678 is a rational number. In other words, x plus 3.142468 in the form of p by q. So if q is not equal to 0, if q is not equal to 0 only, this is existed. Now what we can do, 3.142678. As simplest will tell you. Here, after decimal, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. After 6 numbers, decimal will be there. Now, in the first step, what you can do, leave the decimal, write exactly the same number. Divided by, how many zeros you have to put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how many are there? 6 digits are there. Yes, na? 6 numbers after decimal will be there. So 6 zeros and 1 you should be placed. Now again, this is a rational number. We wrote in a p by q. If you want to simplify it, you can simplify it. This is one kind of numerical. Second thing, show that 0.3333 continuation, which means 0.3 bar, can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, then q is not equal to 0. So 0.3 bar in the sense of, say x is equal to, what is the value? 0.3333 continuation. Yes, one digit after decimal will be there. So 10x, you can take it. 10x means 10 into so and so, which means 3.3333. Now 10x minus x. Fine. So okay, other than that, see 10x is equal to 10 into this value. Yes, na? So 10x is equal to 3.33, it will come. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you can do, that 10x, x value, 10x value. Now 10x minus x how much? 10x minus x.
9x.
9x. So 9x is equal to 3.3333 minus 0.3333. What will happen? 0.33 everything will be cancelled. Remaining will be 3 only will come.
Yes,
Now
sir.
finally what is the x value?
Equal to 3 by
3
9.
by 9, which is
Yes.
1 by 3.
1
So
by
x
3.
value 1 by 3. This is the we can find out.
Yes, sir.
Similar method. 1.2727 continuation. After decimal, how many numbers are continuing? 2 numbers. That is 2 and 7. 2727 continuing. So 1.27 bar. So 1.27 bar you can express in p by q. Now let's x is equal to 1.272727 continuation. Here once you can see. Yes. Here x is equal to what the given number? 1.272727. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now here after one decimal, 2 numbers are there. What you can do? 2 into 100 you can do that. 100x is equal to, how much you can write? 127.272727.
Yes, sir.
Now 100x minus x, 99x is equal to, here 127 minus 1, 126. Fine. 99x is equal to 126. So 99x you can write 100x minus x, you can write it, is equal to 126. Or else directly you can write it, this one only, 99x. Now x is equal to 126 by 99. So this is p by q form.
Yes, sir.
Got the point? Yes, please note it down, these 2 questions. Just a minute. in this example 8, 1.272727. After decimal, two numbers are similar continuously. So for that, we can multiply with 100. If it is three numbers are similar, for example, 275, 275, 275, if it is in such a case, we can multiply with 1000x. Yes, then after subtraction, the first equation and second equation will be subtraction. Then we can find out the x value. Now, the next question, 0.2353535 continuation. After 0.2, there are the next two numbers are 353535. For this, what you can do? Whenever the two numbers are equal continuously, again 100x only. Yes? Can you solve yourself?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes, sir.
example 9, they given that 0.235353535. After 0.2, there are continuously two numbers are equal 353535. So
Yes,
we
sir.
can write 0.235 bar. So
Yes, sir.
this value we have to mention in P by Q form. Now x value how much? X is equal to
235 bar.
0.23535.
Yes,
Then
yes.
whenever the two decimals are after decimal, this number is okay, this is a constant, and 3535 are equal. So the two numbers are continuously equal. So you can put it 100x. If you multiple with 100, what will happen? If you multiple with 100, what will happen? This decimal
23
will
point.
goes to after 2 and 3 here. 2,
Yes, sir.
3 point
53.
535353, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now 100x minus x, 99x.
Yes, sir. 20.
23.535353, 0.2353535. How much it will come? Here 23.535353, 0.235353. Now these values will be cancelled. Up to here also will be cancelled. Now 23 minus 0, 23. 5 minus 2, 3. So 23.3 will come. So 99x is equal to 23.3. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So this 99x is equal to 23.3. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now here the logic is 23.535353 is there na? You can do in another way. 23.5353, what you can do? This is 100x. Okay. 23.3 plus 0.2535353 will come. Yes, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
0.2535353, what it is? X value. So 100x is equal to 23.3 plus x. Finally, in
Yes, sir.
99x is equal to 23.3. Yes, 23.3, what you can do? 99x is equal to 233 by 10, you can write it. X is equal to 233 by 10 into 99, which means 990. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Say
Now
no,
hope you understood. Yes, any doubt?
no, sir. Yes, sir.
In example 3, express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Now the first one, 0.6 bar. How you can solve? Just to explain orally.
Sir, X is equal to 0.6 bar. 10x is equal to 6.6
Excellent.
bar.
Here, in this
10
case,
minus
well done, well done. Second question.
so, x is equal to 0.47 bar.
Yeah.
10x is equal to 4.7.
Yes. So, third example model. Of course, you can do this. 3 also, can you do it now? Yes. In example 10, find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now, this 1 by 7, you can do simplification. You will get 0.142857, again 142857, continuously it will come. It won't end. And 2 by 7 is equal to, again you will get something number. Yes. Now, these two are the non-terminating numbers. It will be continue further. Yes, na?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
how to simplify that? Between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7, there is a number. Yes. And
Yes, sir.
you can find infinitely many such numbers. Now,
Yes, sir.
0.142857, right? The next one, what it is? 0.150 something will come.
Yes,
And
sir.
the next number something will come. So, there is an example, 0.150 something you will get it. Something number you will get it. After 0.14 up to 0.12, you will get n number of irrational numbers. Fine. Now, the similar kind of example,
It is non-terminating and non-repeating.
non-repeating, continuously it will be goes.
Yes, sir.
Now, find the three different irrational numbers between rational number 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Can you do it, this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
continue.
0.7142765349. Test. Second, 0.7071. So 0.707100710071 and dash.
Very good.
Third one, 0.7501 7600177 dash.
Okay. Okay. Now, representing real numbers on number line. Now, between 2 and 3, many numbers are there over here. You can see that. On the scale, 2 and 3 big numbers we can see, but there are the small digits. Yes? Now, 2.6, 2.7 between 2 and 3 only. Clear? 2.6 and 2.7 between that again many numbers will be there. 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, something like that. Yes? Each and every digit we can able to deviate a number of things. Again, between 2.66 and 2.67, again some more numbers will be there. How it will be? 2.661, 2.662, a very small digits. 0.000 also we can able to differentiate it. Now, in example 11, you can see, visualize the representation of 5.37 bar on the number line up to 5 decimal places, which means 5.37777. 5.37 up to 7 places once you can consider. Now it will come as a 5.3778. Yes, na? More than 5, it will be converted as a next number.
Yes.
So that is the way we can able to visualize. Now coming to operations on real numbers. Check whether 7 root 5, 7 by root 5, 2 root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational numbers or not. For this, root 5 value 2.236, root 2 value 1.414, so pi value 3.14. So these are all the basic terms, we know that. Now 7 root 5, root 5 value 2.236 into 7. So approximately 15.652. Now 7 by root 5, what you can do, into root 5 by root 5, which means 7 root 5 by 5. 7 root 5 value this much by 5, which means 3.1304. Now root 2 plus 21. Root 2 value 1.4142 plus 21, 22.4142. Yes, right?
Sir.
Pi minus 2. Pi value 3.14 minus 2, 1.1415. Please note it down the solution. At 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and 2 root 2, root 2 minus 3 root 3. Yes, these two terms we should add it now. This is first term, this is second term. Now, totally we should add it. I can write it over here. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 first term plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. This is the second term. Now here 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3, which one is looks similar? Root 2 values are similar. Add it. 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus of minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 2 root 2 plus root 2. Which one? 3 root 2. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 2 root 3. So finally 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is the answer. Got my point? Got it, Dhanush? Hello?
Can you tell again?
Yes, I'll repeat once again. This is the first term.
Yes, sir.
Root 2 plus 5 root 3 should be added to root 2 minus 3 root 3. This is the first term, this is the second term. In first term and second term, 2 root 2 plus root 2. We can add it, right? Similar numbers.
Yes, sir.
So 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus of minus. Yes?
Yes, sir.
5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Why minus came? If, for example, if it is minus is there, minus of minus, plus will come over here. But plus of minus, minus. Now 2 root 2 plus root 2, 3 root 2. Plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3, 5 minus 3, 2 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is the answer. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, this you understood now? Second one.
Yes, sir.
Multiply 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Now, these two are the numbers. These two under the square root. What you can do? Numbers you multiple. 6 into 2 into square roots you multiple. Root 5 into root 5. So 6 into 2, 12 into root 5 into root 5, 5, which is 60. 60 is the answer. Got the point?
Yes.
Now similar way divided by 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. Now this number 8 by 2 into root 15 by root 3. We can write now 8 by 2 means 4 into root 15. What you can do? Root 3 into root 5 root 15 by root 3. Here root 3 and this root 3 will be cancelled. Numerator and denominator. What is the final value? 4 root 5 is the final answer.
Yes,
Can you note it down?